What do you say? Or
Because after 1 year she doesn't have any chance.
then I will become army.
She can continue.
Your opinion. See, finally our intention is association should belong to all the cadres. It should not become an asset of one community. Today, IMOs may be in the strength, tomorrow specialist may become strong. It should not be like that in future. After some time, specialist will come and then there may be equal strength, so there may be misunderstanding. That should not happen. If you agree with this, you will. No, I will continue for 6 months. Afterwards, tell me. There will be election, but regarding the reservation.
No reservation.
Reservation is for next it will be IMO who is going to be the president.
Under the president,
Rotation policy. Rotation policy in the government.
Whoever gets the more number of votes, they will become that's all. Let him be a specialist, let him be an IMO. Whoever gets more votes, he will be.
No, tomorrow it should not become asset of one group.
No, all in one.
Sir, reservation reservation irrespective of the cadre, whoever is the president should work with the association. Sir, we don't want any not cadre based. Since he is being the president of an association, he should work for the welfare of all the members. So no reservation, no rotation.
Correct.
Let the president is constant, so other members they can work on whatever election.
Have a time bound tenure of all the posts. So now it is 6 months. That we can
After election
after the
is
election.
2 years. As per our bylaws, 2 years. This is 6 months. We are going to have election. There is no doubt about that.
renewal time.
The issue is, I don't want association be a property of one group. Tomorrow, I am talking about 5 years, 10 years down the line. There may be only specialists and there are only 2 IMOs. There may be only IMOs, 2 specialists. So in that case, the problem may arise. If at all, if we say that we will continue now, later on if there is such problem, we can change the bylaws at that time. We will continue with this.
See, if you create cadres, you will create groupism. No.
Very busy, not able to concentrate in the association, may propose others' name and say bye. So, if at all, if
Now,
you,
I nominate Dr. Beams in my place. Or I can even say Dr. Murli. Murli has come from
raise your hand, whoever say that Shashikala, let us be there for 6 months, let us see. Thank you.
Probably she wants a higher post.
Of 6 months to assess a person and then see whether that person is working for the association, organization or the individual. There may be past incidences which must have hurt you, and there are some people who are ready to misguide you. Don't take others' views and opinions. You have your own views, own opinions. Come to conclusion. Anything else?
I have one apology request to the president, sir. I have a humble request to you, sir. This CSIC Model Hospital Medical Officer Association, with regards to its academic and CME programs and other recreational activities, it can also co-function as a finance society, no, sir.
Co-function?
Cooperative finance society, so
Cooperative.
that financial crisis is common for all people.
Very good.
And I think the financial society is functioning in our Pinya sorry, Deliberate regional office. At a small percentage of interest, the deposits, whatever are made by the doctors, they can take loans from the association and a salary deduction can be made. This is why I feel better now. The loans may be given at ease. And there is, in case of banks, they ask for security and other agents. So it can function as a financial organization also. Financial emergency, although we have good salary also, we cannot arrange directly for 5 lakhs tomorrow and all. I have come to know that some public sector enterprises like BEL and BHL, they are having 3 societies in their factories. In these 3 societies, they are able to get loans of 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs within a same day, just by virtue of their salary slips.
It's a good point, well taken.
Thank you.
I think we will register our cooperatives to see how it can be done. And one more important thing I forgot to discuss because Murli got the issue of money, so I have to talk about it. For any association, financial stability is very important. Like our recreation club, they are collecting 10 rupees per month as salary deduction. Nursing orderlies and other union, or CSA union, they are collecting 30 rupees per month as salary deduction. We as doctors, we cannot have a routine parties under the tree. We must have a party like fortune or something else. So for that, we need a strong financial backer. Even if you want to start a cooperative also, minimum amount should be there in the association to be deposited for starting the cooperative. For all these things, we need to have a regular income. Even though I will be requesting other sponsors to conduct CMEs and other things, we may not be spending money from the association for CMEs and other purposes, but for additional work, we may have to have the extra money. So for that purpose, I am thinking of requesting you to have a salary deduction of 50 rupees per month. If lower agrees, then we will go, like they say, we will go for 100 rupees, we will wait, whatever you wish.